Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will discuss about scanner class in Java, right? So in the previous class, we had discussed about how to print outputs in Java, right? By using system.out.println. So in this class, we will discuss about scanner class in Java, right? So how to use scanner class and how to import scanner class. So all these things we will see in this class. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class, right? So first of all, you have to create the file, and the file name is scanner example.java, right? So before writing the scanner object, you have to import. You have to import, right? So import java.util.scan, right? Scanner. So after that, you have to write public static void main string args, right? After that, you have to open it. So here you have to write scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in, right? So what I did is, so I have written the scanner, right? So s is a variable name. S is a variable name. So new scanner is the object creation. So new scanner is a object creation. So by using this object creation, we can read the values from the user. I hope you understand. By the use of object creation, we can read the values from the user. So that's why we have to write new scanner and system.in. So SC is a reference to this object. SC is a reference to this object and SC is a variable, right? C. So int n1, right? So SC dot next int. See here, as I told you, SC is a reference to this object, right? So that's why I'm using this reference variable SC dot next int to read the values from the user, right? I hope you understand. So like that, I will write another variable called n2 is equal to sc dot next int, right? And after that, I have to write n3 is equal to sc dot next int. So just you have to print it system.out.println n1, right? So in the same way, I will just copy this thing and I will just paste it here. So this is n2, this is n3, right? So in this way, we can use the scanner class in Java. So first of all, you have to import the scanner class and you have to create the object, right? And with this reference variable sc, you have to read the values from the user. So in this way, and you have to just print those values, right? I hope you understand. Just I will run this program. Just click on F5. So yeah, the program runs successfully. So I will give the values are, the first value is 5 and second value is 6 and third value is 10. So when I click enter, the output should be 5, 6 and 10. See here, 5, 6 and 10, right? So in this way, we can use the scanner class in Java, right? So I hope you understand this simple program in Java by using scanner class. And if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you friends. Jai Hind.